Soboro meat is seasoned and cooked chicken or pork. And this time we will make it using soy meat. It's perfect for bentos, onigiri filling, rice bowls, noodles, tofu salads, etc. For about 4 servings. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 2 tablespoons of sake. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 2 teaspoons of mushroom powder. I use shiitake powder. Half a teaspoon of grated ginger. 100 milliliters of water. Six tablespoons of soy meat. 2 tablespoons of fried onion. Fried onion recreates the richness of the meat fat. At the same time, the glutamic acid from the onion and guanylic acid from the mushroom combine to create umami. Microwave 2 minutes at 500 watts. Let cool completely. It takes quite a while, so I recommend preparing it the day before. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil. It's ready to eat. But it's even better if you let it sit in the fridge overnight.